Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to create an iTunes account now. Use a working email and a phone number for verification. Once done, open the App Store or iTunes on your device and choose Create New Apple ID. Make sure to pick the country that matches your billing address. This affects available content and payment options. Enter your email and create a strong password, then tap Continue. This first action establishes your identity and unlocks the next account setup screens you'll complete immediately. Now fill the required personal details carefully: name, birthday, and a recovery contact so you can regain access later. Choose 3 security questions and record the exact answers somewhere safe because they are used for account recovery. Next, select a payment method. You can add card info, link PayPal, or choose none if you don't want purchases yet. Enter your billing address to match the payment method. Finally, review and accept Apple's terms. This confirms legal consent and enables account activation. Finish by verifying the email Apple sent. Open that message and type the code into the verification field. Once verified, sign in on your iPhone, iPad, or computer to sync purchases and settings. Make sure to enable 2-factor authentication for stronger protection. This uses your phone to confirm sign-ins. If you run into problems, such as a rejected payment or missing code, retry verification, check the card details and billing address, and use the recovery phone or email to regain access. That usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.